Good morning, everyone. My name is Silvia Faridahtul. I am from Indonesian Polytechnic. I am really grateful to be able to participate in a contest with such an amazing theme that resonates with all of us. So, I'd like to say thank you very much to the judges and all of the audiences for the opportunity that given to me. And let me make this clear, this is not only about me. This is about a billion lives who have been helped by the presence of the tree. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I begin, I want you to raise your hand just a little, not to hide. Have you ever touched parts of your body? So then, what do you feel? Yep, exactly. Your pulse. Did you know that many people are fighting and spending billions of rupiah just to keep feeling their pulse? They're trying to keep breathing and pumping blood throughout their bodies. That's all they do to stay alive. What a big struggle, right? Sometimes we are afraid of breathing in the pollution in our environment, whether it's from vehicles, construction, or even industrial waste. And then we are trying to protect ourselves with masks. But do you know, masks can indeed protect us, but a single tree can neutralize pollution over a wide area. To be honest, when I was a kid, I had absolutely no idea that trees provide billions of benefits in our lives. The thing that I know is I could pick the fruits of them, then eat that fruit. So yum. That's a very naive way children think. I'm so sorry of being that naive. Time by time, people start cutting down and burning them and exploding them excessively. Well, according to Food and Agriculture Organization data, we have lost 420 million hectares of forest globally since 1990. In fact, on a satellite map, this area no longer has a green color. Everyone began to feel the air growing heavier. Based on observation by National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, CO2 concentration in the atmosphere are projected to urge to 424 parts per million by 2026. Now, so am I, believe that deforestation is the slowest form of suicide, a massive malpractice that spells disaster. Slowly but surely, it's just about time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to those who still care about environmental conservation. They make me believe that we still have time before it's too late. Protecting trees isn't just the responsibility of the government or even environmental activists. It's our responsibility as human beings, as inhabitants of this planet. Believe or not, trees are actually giant ventilators that created for us by God. They are sophisticated and natural, yet we fail to protect them and instead cut them down. And then what we can do to fix all of this? Correct. The easiest way is to carry out reforestation. Planting trees not only impact to the earth, but also our lungs and our health. Well, congratulations! Now we understand why forests are the lungs of the world, why cutting the trees can be a serious mistake, and why we need to take action immediately. Okay, honorable judges and all my audiences, I'm not asking ourselves to be a superhero. I just don't want us to regret everything that happens later on. That's over my speech. I really hope all these words can broaden our perspective to protect our earth for the future humanity. May peace, kindness, and responsibility always grow within us. Thank you very much for the time and attention, and see you.